Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate lockpicks in Oblivion. This incredibly useful trick will save you countless hours of frustration. First, gather at least 2 identical scrolls. Any type will do, but having many of the same kind is ideal. You also need at least 1 lockpick in your inventory. This simple setup is all you need to begin multiplying your lockpicks, making lockpicking a breeze throughout your adventures. Get ready to never run out again. To perform the duplication, open your inventory and find the stack of identical scrolls you prepared. Select this stack, then quickly drop it onto the ground. The crucial step is to immediately, and I mean instantly, select your single lockpick in your inventory right after dropping the scrolls. If done correctly, you'll see a new stack of lockpicks appear on the ground, matching the number of scrolls you dropped. It's all about timing. The beauty of this glitch is its scalability. The number of lockpicks you duplicate directly corresponds to the number of scrolls you drop. So, if you drop a stack of 100 scrolls, you'll get 100 lockpicks. Simply pick up your newly duplicated lockpicks and repeat the process with another stack of scrolls. Within just a few minutes, you can amass hundreds, even thousands of lockpicks, ensuring you're always prepared for any locked door or chest. While incredibly powerful, there are a few things to keep in mind. This duplication glitch isn't limited to lockpicks. It works with many other items too. However, be cautious with quest items, as duplicating them can sometimes lead to unexpected game issues. Always ensure you have sufficient inventory space before picking up large stacks of duplicated items. And as always, it's a good practice to save your game frequently, especially when experimenting with glitches, just in case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.